Today, I'm going to walk you through the absolute simplest and most efficient way to get started on Binance, which, as many of you know, is the world's largest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchange. To get us moving, go ahead and click the link in the description or the comments section right below this video. That will take you directly to the official Binance sign-up screen. Now, here is a massive incentive. If you access the site through that specific link, you will receive a 50% fee payback and a $600 rewards package at the same time. First, let's create your account. Once you've clicked that link below the video and you're on the sign up page, you can proceed with signing up using either your email address or your mobile phone. Simply enter the email you want to use for your trading activities and make sure to check the terms and conditions agreement box at the bottom. Once that's done, click Continue at the bottom. To verify your information, a 6-digit verification code will be sent immediately to the email or mobile phone you just entered. Check your inbox, grab that code, and enter it right here. Click Continue. Next, it's time to enter your password. To keep your account secure, the password must consist of at least 8 characters, including at least one number and at least one uppercase letter. Now, your account creation is officially complete. If an inviter code entry screen pops up for you, please make sure to enter the code provided and finish the sign up. Next, let's move right into the KYC identity verification. You absolutely must complete this KYC process to be able to deposit, withdraw, and actually start trading on Binance. Because this step includes a facial scan for security, we are going to continue the process on a mobile phone for the best experience. Go ahead and install and launch the Binance app on your phone. If you log in with the account you just created, you will immediately be prompted to proceed to the verification screen. Confirm your nationality and then choose the type of ID card you want to use to proceed with the verification. Whether you choose a resident registration card or national ID, a driver's license, or even a passport, the system is very fast and it will be processed within about 5 minutes. Select Take Pictures as your preferred method for submitting photos and click Continue. Take a clear picture of both the front and the back of your ID, making sure it fits perfectly into the camera frame. Then fit your face into the oval frame on the screen and simply follow the on-screen instructions. Once you finish the facial scan, go ahead and confirm your additional personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and your current address, then click Continue. Next, select your occupation from the list and click Continue, and lastly, pick your specific industry and click Continue. The review itself usually takes about 5 minutes, and you can easily verify that your KYC verification is complete by checking for the badge on your profile screen. Finally, let's set up your two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Return to the PC screen and click Security under the Account tab in the left-hand menu. Click Manage right next to the Authenticator app option. When you click Enable Authenticator app, a verification code will be sent to your email or mobile phone for safety. Enter that code and a QR code window will appear on your screen. Leave this window open for a moment and let's download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once the installation is finished, click the Open button to run the app and click Get Started at the bottom. For extra security, I recommend clicking Use without signing in, and then click the Add a Code button in the middle. Select Scan a QR code and scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. A 6-digit OTP code for Binance will immediately be generated on your phone. Go back to the Binance screen and click Next. Enter those 6 digits from the app and click Submit. You can now confirm that the Google OTP is fully activated and your account is secure. That brings us to the end of our setup guide. I hope this walkthrough made the entire process clear and easy to follow. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials.